We've got a leather sofa in here for restoration, and when we come to do it, somebody's put velcro on, obviously to stop the cushion slipping around, but this velcro has actually been glued onto the leather and it's really, really strong. So we need to remove that and get this sofa back to how it should be originally. Now, the mistake we made to start with was this. You can just make it out. So this mark here, we tried to pull the velcro off and the glue's taken the surface of the leather off. So the trick we found is to do this. Get a hairdryer on it and heat up the glue and the velcro comes away. It's a very slow process, but it's not damaging the leather, so I think that's the way forward.